If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Color Picker tool selects color from an image displayed in Elements or any place else on your computer screen. To use the Color Picker tool, select it from the toolbox. Then click and hold your mouse down over the area within your computer screen from which you want to sample the color. As you drag the Color Picker tool around the screen, the foreground color changes to the color that is directly underneath the tool. Note that if you hold down the Alt key as you are doing this, you will instead set the background color versus the foreground color. After you have the desired color displayed, release the mouse button to select the displayed color. If setting the background color, then release the Alt key. To change the size of the point sample used by the Color Picker tool to select colors after selecting the Color Picker tool, select either Point Sample, Average 3x3, or Average 5x5 in the Tool Options bar. The point sample reads the exact color value of the pixel that you click with the eyedropper tool. The other two choices read the average color value of either a 3x3 or 5x5 area of pixels under the Color Picker tool. Another handy feature of the Color Picker tool is that when you have any painting tool selected, you can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard to temporarily turn the current painting tool into the Color Picker tool for a quick color change while painting. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.